Hi, I'm Peter Nolet from Imtra Corp. I'm the product manager for Sleipner thrusters. I'm here to talk to you about some of our different products. Here we've got our display that really we talk about our proportional thruster systems, DC side specifically. We introduced DC proportional thrusters in 2011 and we won the Innovation Award at the Miami Boat Show. Since then, really proportional control of DC thrusters has really taken hold. People realize the benefit of that proportional control, a throttle. Okay, it's not full power, single speed, full power on and off, so that you're trying to control the movement of the vessel, your boat, relative to this pulsing action, with your control. So with the proportional control panels, you actually have a full throttle, 0 to 100%. So you're controlling the thruster relative to the conditions, which makes the equipment quieter and a lot longer running, to the point where we know, this matches our other systems for our hydraulics and our AC systems, okay? That same product that we use on commercial systems. So it's our S-Link control system. It's a CAN bus control system. It allows us to send a lot of the information from that thruster buried in the bilge of your boat up here at the helm on this small little screen. So now this screen not only gives you the feedback of what's happening down below, but over the course of that system, it's a diagnostic tool. So it tells you what's going on, you can see voltages, etc. So it's a great little device in addition to just operating that thruster. So again, this has really grown for us, this proportional system. We knew we were on the right track because all the competition is kind of scrambling to create their own proportional systems right after us. So again, SidePower did a very good job on that. And the nice thing is it transitions into all of our new products. So any DC thrusters we offer, either traditional single speed on off control or with the new proportional control system using our CAN bus S-Link control system. So here we have our new product that we introduced, really it's been about 1.5 years now, is our external thrusters. SidePower bought Extern, which was a company out of Austria, about 6-7 years ago, okay? When they bought that company, basically it was a big chunk of aluminum, this external thruster, and they knew right away that they wanted to change that product and create a whole range of their own to replace this product. It was a very good product, nice that for slow-moving craft, an inexpensive way to install a thruster, either bow or stern. On this, we're showing this is for mounting on a vertical surface on the transom, because the other application for this product, really a great application, is on outboard powered boats. As we see the big growth of powering by outboards, cheap way to get horsepower, it's a great way to have a thruster back there on these outboard powered boats. You see outboards being used to control the bow of the boat with a joystick system, but using a lot of horsepower in the stern to control that bow, and you really have no way to control the stern effectively side to side that way. With this product now, we can do bow and stern together. Proportional controls are on-off, so it gives you a lot more options and flexibility for better maneuverability and handling of the boats. On this, we also offer what you see here. It's an add-on, what we call our Hydropod. So if we take this, basically it comes in 3 pieces, okay? And these are hard molded pieces that form around this thruster. So the thruster is basically the same whether we're mounting it in a vertical transom surface or underneath in the water flow. So when we're in the water flow, that's why we're adding this stuff on here to create this hydrodynamic shape, okay? So we're not creating any drag. Again, it mounts the same way. You have a center kind of post and mounting bolts. There'll be extra set of bolts here on this one for mounting under the water flow. But again, it's a great solution for a thruster where you don't have a lot of draft, okay? A lot of sailboats, modern sailboats, get very flat up in the bow and very shallow. So a tunnel thruster that used to fit on a lot of these sailboats no longer fits because we just don't have the draft. So an external thruster like this is really the only solution on a lot of these boats where you do not have draft. Stern thruster on a sailboat, perfect solution because there's nothing else. So an external thruster in the water flow on a slow-moving craft like a sailboat is a great solution. Again, we have such a broad range of thrusters. We usually have a solution for almost every application. So whatever that may be, please contact Imtra or visit us at imtra.com.